Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to use the key and open the trunk. We're going to use the trim tool. Take this push clip out, slide it in there, pull the clip out, just like that. There's a trim clip right here. Pull this one out. Also over here, pull this one out. Once those are out, you can just grab this trim piece, pull it up, and slide it out of the way. There's one more clip to remove right here. Pull this one out. There is another one right there, but we can leave that one in. We're going to pull this carpeted molding back. Just pull it out of our way. We're going to take these two nuts off, right here and here. We're going to use a 10mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet. Once you break it free, you can generally do it by hand. Take that out. And take this one out. And there's a grommet right here. I'm just going to push that grommet through so it's easier to move the taillight assembly. Then we're going to grab the taillight assembly out here. And pull. You want to pull it towards the outside of the car. Just like that. There's a pin, a guide pin that lines up in the back. It goes, like I said, you're pulling it towards the outside of the car, not towards the back of the car. Now I'm going to use a pick tool and get underneath this lock right here. Slide it under there, and then you can grab the connector and pull it out. Take a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm going to take these screws out. Once those are all loose, you can grab this bracket, pull it out. The brake light bulb is located right here. This is the dual filament bulb. You push down on the bulb and pop it out, twist it to the left a little bit. This bulb is a 75/28. To reinstall the bulb, it only goes one direction. There's a lower tab and a higher tab. The higher tab goes, if you look inside the hole, you can see a higher lock point versus the lower lock point. So you slide it in like that, twist it to the right, and lock it in. The turn signal bulb is right here, this amber bulb. You're going to push down, turn to the left a little bit, slide it out. This bulb can be installed either way. This bulb is a 2057 NA. Slide it into the groove. Oops. Push down and turn to the right. This is the reverse light bulb. We're going to push down, turn it to the left, pull it out. This bulb is a 7506L. It's a single filament bulb. To reinstall it, just line it up, push down, and turn it to the right. Install this housing back into the light assembly. Then we'll take our Phillips head screws, get these all started. Get them all started before we snug them down. Once they're all started, now we can snug them down. We can install our headlight housing back onto the vehicle. Take the connector, line it up, lock it in place. And we're going to take this rubber grommet, push it through the hole. We can actually, once it's through the hole, we can pull it a little bit, lock that in position. And then there's a little place for the wire to go right here. Lock that on. We can line up, there's a little tab down here that lines up with a groove on the light assembly. And then this guide pin over here that will line up in the back. Get those lined up. Once that's lined up, just give it a little force. Lock it in place. Now we're going to reinstall the nuts. That one down there, and then the other one up here. Take our ratchet and our 10mm socket and snug them up. Now we'll reinstall this carpeted molding, line this up. This is going to go underneath the weather stripping over here. Pull this carpet up, it's going to go underneath that. Take our push pin, line that up. And push it on. Use this push pin. Sometimes you gotta use a little screwdriver or something to pull it over. Take that push pin, slide it in, push it down. Now we're going to reinstall this trim piece. We're going to pull up on this carpet, line it up top, push it down, take the two push pins, slide that one in there, lock it in place. And same with over here. Lock it in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.